Hey guys, today I would want to explain on what's going to happen on Monday on Nifty and Reliance. So the thing is, on the last trading session, our Nifty or Reliance was very bullish. It gave a very good momentum. So we are expecting the market to go little upside, but as we see on our daily chart, we see that there's an immediate resistance found here because this candle is responsible for this big fall on 28 October. So the next resistance would be your 18167 and the other resistance would be 18342. But if at all you put your Fibonacci and see the 61 on the whole side, you can find that 18230 would be your next possible resistance as well. But if the market breaches out this particular level, that's 18342 in and around 18350 with a good bullish candle, we can plan for going long. That would be till your all-time high. That's on 18604 with the stop loss just below this. This is how you can plan your trade, where you think you enter here where the stop loss should be below this level and the target would be like this. This would be in and around 1:2 ratio, and that's a good amount of ratio and a profit loss. But the market seems bearish as it is forming lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So the next we would be finding is, now it's at resistance. If at all it moves the market till here and then falls down, you can expect the market to go in and around at 17,291 for the confirmation. You see that this particular candle is responsible for it to move all this consolidation. This was 1 2 3 4 5 days of consolidation, and from then it moved above and then has retested and then gone above. Okay, that is what you can expect on Nifty. The targets are pretty simple. If at all the market tries breaching below this particular point, you can expect this as your next support. Okay, please do mark all these levels. And if the market decides to go all-time high again, you can close your eyes and book your profit until the market reaches in and around 19,200 would be your next longest resistance. I mean, it takes pretty long time to reach that resistance. So as on Reliance, we can expect the market to go even more high if at all it crosses this particular all-time high, just like Nifty. If Reliance does it, Nifty will also follow it, where if it follows, this would be your first resistance and the second resistance would be your 161 Fibonacci ratio. That would be in and around 22931 would be your second resistance, and the first resistance would be your 2832. Okay, but the closest resistance would be obviously this particular candle. I would want to measure it and show it to you. This would be your next possible resistance with this as your resistance. This zone is going to, this particular candle on 27th October would be your next resistance. So the next resistance can be 2641 as well. As I told you, how do you have to trade Nifty? You can trade on Reliance as well by having this as your stop loss. This is almost 1:1. It is almost 1:1.5 ratio, and it's a good amount of risk because of the volatility market right now. So anything, keep following and ask me if there is any doubts to be clarified. Thank you so much. Keep following.